Restaurant conversations. 1. We'd like a table for two, please. 2. I have a reservation under the name of. 3. Could you bring us the menu, please? 4. Do you have a set menu? 5. Could you bring us the salt, pepper, vinegar, please? 6. I'll have a soup as a starter. 7. I'll have the steak for the main course. 8. I'll have it rare, medium, well done, please. 9. Where's the washroom, please? 10. Could I have the bill, please? 11. It's under the name of. 12. May we sit at this table, please? 13. We are ready to order now. 14. Can I pay by card? 15. Do you take credit cards? 16. No thanks, I would like to order. 17. Could you please bring me a mocktail, please? 18. Is this served with? 19. That's all, thank you.